With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is read the following statements. First one is second heart sound is dub, which is associated with the closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valve. Duration between consecutive second and first heart sound is 0.5 second in a cardiac cycle. Heartbeat of a human increases when adrenaline hormone injected into it. The atrial systole in a cardiac cycle increases the flow of blood into the respective ventricle by about 30%. How many of the above statements are incorrect? So here we will see statement one by one. First one is second heart sound is dub, which is associated with closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valve. This is a wrong statement because second heart sound is dub, that is correct, but this is not associated with closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valve. It is associated with closure of semilunar valve. It is enclosed with closure of semilunar valves, not the bicuspid and the tricuspid valve. Bicuspid and the tricuspid valve closure, that is being associated with the first heart sound, that is lub, not the dub. So we can say that this is an incorrect statement. Second is duration between consecutive second and first heart sound is 0.5 second in a cardiac cycle. So this is also incorrect statement. There is a duration between 0.3 second. 0.3 second duration between first heart sound and the second heart sound. So we can say that the complete cardiac cycle is 0.8, that is 0.5 plus 0.3, but duration between second and first heart sound, that is the 0.3 second, not the 0.5 second. So we can say that incorrect statement. And next is heartbeat of a human increases when the adrenal hormone is injected into it. So if we'll see the adrenal hormone, it is secreted by adrenal medulla gland, adrenal hormone, and it is one of the fight, flight and flight hormone, or 3F hormone, flight, fright and fight hormone. And this hormone is usually secreted in the case of we can say that the emergency condition. So in emergency, it increases the heartbeat, it increases the rate of respiration also. So this is very correct statement. Adrenal effect is to increase the heartbeat. This is correct statement. Next is atrial systole in a cardiac cycle increases the flow of blood into the respective ventricle by about 70%. So if we see the cardiac cycle, atrial systole means atrial contraction. That is that this statement is correct up till, that is atrial systole in cardiac cycle, it increases the flow. Contraction of atrium, it increases the flow of blood into the respective ventricle. This is correct, but this flow of blood is about 30%. It will enter 30% to the ventricle, not the 70%. 70% is quite high. A contraction of atrium resulted in 30% flow of blood into the respective ventricle. So we can see that this is also incorrect statement. Out of 4, 3 statements are incorrect. So we can see that the option 3 is correct. Rest 3 are incorrect option. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.